Hello guys, I'm back for another haul. So last time I show you Zara haul, and this is, by the way, one of that trouser, and I keep it because it's comfy. Before I like really the skinny one. I still have skinny trouser, but right now as I get older I prefer it like this, like flowy, that it's like comfy. Yeah, so anyway, let's start with a haul today. I'm going to show you what I purchased in Primark, Sports Direct, Home Bargains, Sainsbury's. I think that's it. You know what? This top is so comfy. I purchased, by the way, this one in Primark also last year for sale. It's £8. You can see it now, but I purchased it for £4 last time, and I purchased four pieces because it's really comfy. Yeah, like that. You don't need to wear bra. So, and then my shoes also, my sandal is from Primark also, which is sale also. So, you know, sell. I love sell. So yeah, let's start with the haul now. This is okay, maybe this one. Okay, this one later. This one is super duper cheap, and it's still this week. I'm sure they still have many of this in the shop. So if you have Primark near you, you should go there. The first is this. Oh my god, this boots. Look at this. When I saw it, actually I'm thinking a long time ago to purchase this, but because it's good for when I'm wearing white or silvery, something like that. And this one, it's for £20, and then I grabbed it for £5. But then when I arrive in the tel, they give it to me £3. Actually become reduced again, £3. So look at that. It's so pretty. Yeah, pretty. So this is the first item that I'm very, very happy. I really like it, guys. Just throwing it. Next is this. Oh my god. Something. Hold on. Boots, another one. Actually, this one is not really my type because I don't know. It's not really my type. Look at that. I just purchased it to give it to my friend. And look at that. And because the price is cheap. So this one, it's only £3 from £24, guys. You see? Yeah, it's £3. It's my size. So if you're my friend and then you're size 4, you're so lucky. But yeah, this one next. And then actually I saw some sunglasses there. To be honest, I like the sunglasses in TK Maxx and Mango. The problem is I didn't have the one that they have right now. I didn't like. And yeah, and then in TK Maxx the sunglasses were like £15 to £20, like that up. Yeah, in Mango it's £23, but I like their sunglasses. They're really nice to me, and I like something there. I didn't just purchase it, but I saw this in Primark and it's just £1. So I said I grab it, you know, because to be honest, my sunglasses, they really become damaged every year. It's because I just throw it anywhere. So this one, at least it's not expensive, so it's okay to, you know, like just you throw it. Because I'm thinking if I have the expensive one, oh my god, I need to be careful, and I don't like it. And I think it's nice. Yeah, it's not that bad. Doesn't look that much expensive, but it's okay, you know. So yeah, just £1. Look. What do you think, guys? Comment down below if you think it's nice or I just have to buy in Mango, because the one that I like in Mango, it's black, and I have so many blacks here from TK Maxx, from Lipsy, and forget the other one, French collection, like that. I bought it in TK Maxx, so I preferred, if possible, not black anymore. But yeah, this one is not black. £1 like that. So at least £1 you don't care. Next, look at this. It's so cute. And the price is cute. It's just £2. This one is £7 anyway. Look. It's a hot water bottle. Like that. Actually, they have many other items that are on sale, guys. I have so many sale. So nice, I can control myself. I didn't buy so much because I can control myself now. And next, look at this. My hair is all over. £1 sunglasses. Yeah. Don't know. Does it look good or not? Yeah. So that is £1 also, but this one it's like silver. Yeah, like silver. Not the one that one is a little gold like that. Yeah, because I'm excited for summer. Very excited for summer. Then last. But this one is not for me. I just purchased it to give it to my mom. It's £1 anyway from £5. Yeah, this is not mine. But it will look good to her, but not to me. Look at that. Like Kardashian, you know. Yeah, doesn't look too good to me, but for her, I'm sure it will look good to her. Yes, that's, oh my god, so nice. And then that's it. That's empty now. I just have my receipt. So I'll keep that. Next, this one, I want to Primark with my son. So most of this is his things, his, you know, the receipt. I always keep the receipt. You should also keep the receipt, because just in case you will purchase something and you doesn't like it, this you can return, you know. I don't like to keep things that I don't like. I will return it because I can buy other things with that money. So this one, Spider-Man. Actually, this one is from 8 to 9. But anyway, my son is 5. So I will keep it. Keep it for him. Because it's supposedly is, how much is the price of this? Supposedly £14. And then I just bought it for £7. So yeah, it's so nice. It's nice actually, yeah. Do you think it's nice or not? Looks nice to me. Maybe he, after swimming class like that. It's good for him. Next, of course, shoes. Because this one he chose this. Normally I want to buy shoes from Sports Direct or Sports Direct or GD Sport, yeah. But this one, he saw it, and then because of this light, he said, I want to buy this. I said, okay. Because most of the time, my son doesn't say I want to buy something when I'm taking him for a shop. Yeah, he's not like demanding child. But this one he really likes. So I grab it. It's £16. But it's so cute anyway. Size 12. Okay. Yeah, like it. £16. Then last, my son bought this. This is £2.50. It's because he likes Blippi, and he actually looking for Blippi costume, but I cannot find. So this one, this is like Blippi, yeah. Yeah. I'll try to find if I can find something up that is same color like this. This is 5 to 6 pounds. 5 to 6 years old. Next, I grabbed this, not my son. So it's not colorful. This one is Cell. It's £6, but it's 50%. So it's £3. This is what age? 6 to 7 years old. Yeah, just plain polo. And then this one, guys, is very exciting from Matalan. This is so super cheap. First is, can you guess how much is this decor? It's actually for Christmas, yeah, but it's just £1. Okay, so hard to remember. It's just £1, guys. It's £18, and I purchased it £1. So I don't know, you like it or not, but it's for £1, imagine. £18, guys, look. £18 it's here, and I bought it £1. So you never get wrong. Look, it's look nice anyway. And because of the price, when I saw it, we still have many actually in Matalan. Try to check it out. Next I purchased is jacket for my son. My son's school is blue color, so I bought this blue color. And the other reason is it's 28, but sell £14. So yeah, at least. But I realize now it's 5 to 6, so I might go back and ask them to give me the 6 to 7, because I'm thinking now it's spring, so maybe during winter my son, you know, will gain or something. He cannot use it and it will be waste, so I will ask them to change it. I think so. I will ask my son to try it. Maybe it's okay, or if not, I will return it, exchange it, I mean, yeah. That's it. Sell. And next, £1 from £8. It's not expensive. Oh, it's Christmas decor. Okay, this one next. Oh, this is from Home Bargains, guys. It's a portable blender and rechargeable. Yeah. It's not that big. It's actually just £6. I saw this in shops 13 and how much? 13 or £10 like that. So when you open it, they have some to hold it. This one, and then you can press it. Oh my god, it's on. So nice. I did it. It's on like that. Yeah, it's not so big, but if you are on the go, you can put some fruits there and drink it or your shake. But I'm not so sure it's okay. I hope it will be okay. Yeah, £6. Still there's many there. And then okay, this is from Sports Direct because it's sell. Because normally this pants, guys, this is £60, but I purchased it £30 because John doesn't like it when it's not cotton. So this one is 98% cotton, 2% elastic for here. Yeah, so this is good for work something. It's actually overall good because just his requirements for his trouser is just it should be cotton. And this egg, you know, in B&M this kind of the egg is £8 last year I saw, but this one in Home Bargains is just £4. So I have many eggs here, but I don't have this holder. That's why I said, okay, better I buy this so I can put all the eggs. But now I'm thinking I cannot actually put more eggs because it's just enough for these eggs. But yeah, I don't know. I just like it. Maybe I purchased it for myself, not really for my son. Okay, next is this one. I really like it, guys, because it fit to my cupboard. So I grab more. It's just £2 also, and it's strong. This is a stackable. That's why I like it. Look, no. Actually, in bathroom also I can use it. Maybe I use it in the bathroom. Yeah, it's cool. Just because it's not cheap. Home Bargains really is not expensive shop. Just for me. Next is this one. This is another jacket for John. It's also sell in Sports Direct. This is 50%. So from 55, it's just £28. So it's very nice. We have one of this. I just purchased a new one because that one is old already. And it's 100% cotton. This one, take out box, because my son is playing, or you know, like playtime, or what do you call that? Playing that he have a restaurant and he need boxes for his customers. So this is just for him to play. It's not expensive. For like he's pretending to have a McDonald's. That's why I purchased. Next, small items like for migraine, because it's cheap in Home Bargains. For my son during like when he have fever, toothpaste and tissue. And this one is from Sainsbury's. Yeah, this is like good for house clothes. So this is just plain white, and this is 2 for 8. Actually, it's just £5, but this is 2 for 8, which is amazing because it's good for the house, you know, because normally your clothes will really become like dirty white. Become dirty white, so it's always good to have that. Next, this blender. Yeah, I purchased that in Home Bargains, and then because it's small, I decided to purchase this blender. This is the same blender that I had before. It's just that my blender is still okay. The problem with my blender is this one. This one, you know, this one, the rubber inside, I don't know where it is. So when I close it, it will spill. That's why I have to buy it. It's £18 in Sainsbury's, but just because of the rubber, guys. So I hope this one. But anyway, I cannot blame it because it's 1 year with me already, and we use it at least 3 times a week. So yeah, just for the rubber. That's why I decided to buy the same brand, the same, just the color, because that is white, just in case the, what do you call this one? The main one will be damaged. At least I don't need to buy, or I don't need to, you know, because I have the white one or the old one, because they're the same. Everything is the same, just that rubber. And then we have 2 of this. After you blend like that, 2, and then you can take it also with you. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe I return that one, or I'll keep it, and then for like going out, it will be nice also. Yeah, so thank you guys. It's a long haul, sorry, and I just hope you enjoy, and until my next haul, guys, thank you so much for the support. Please do subscribe and give me some love there. Bye.